I'm going to show you a few simple ways you can recover your files if you accidentally deleted them or emptied your recycling bin. So, recovering files is not always guaranteed. I had to install 4 different tools in order to get this to work. The first one I used is called Windows File Recovery, and you can get it from the Microsoft Store. For this one, just simply install it and run this command. If the files don't come up with this first command, you can run the command again with the extensive flag. So the extensive just means it's going to do a deep scan. If no files come up with this utility, proceed to the next one. And the next one I used was something called ShadowExplorer, which restores a folder or file to a previous version. Now I ran this one and I didn't see my deleted files come up. So unfortunately, that one did not work for me, but that's not to say that it doesn't work. There are certain use cases where it can work. Now the next one I used was something called Recuva. So this utility is best for recent deletions where file names still matter, but it's not reliable after a full drive format. If you're gonna do this, I suggest running a deep scan in order to increase your chances of restoring deleted files. The tool I used that actually worked was something called PhotoRec. PhotoRec is best for deep recovery, and it works well when others fail. I would suggest unchecking all the file types and selecting only the ones you're looking to recover. So in my case, I'm looking for some EXEs, a couple of PNGs, and JPEGs. But this, unfortunately, does not retain the folder name or file name. It renames each recovered file to its own specification, but it's incredibly effective. So here's the do's and don'ts of file recovery. Number 1, recover to a different drive. If you're restoring files from your C, recover them to a separate drive or possibly an external storage. 2, use a deep scan or extensive mode when possible. 3, try multiple tools and see which one works best for you. Now, what you shouldn't do is install recovery software on the same drive you're trying to scan. Don't wait too long, continued use may overwrite recoverable files, and that's it. Basically, if one tool fails, try the next. The key is acting fast and using the right recovery method for the situation. That's it for this video. If this helped in any way, please take a moment to hit like and subscribe. Thank you.